Hi, I'm Rash Ravi Shankar with the 40th episode of Friday Poems, a weekly program on YouTube. We have been uplinking for the last 40 weeks. We hope many more poets will join us soon. The poet we are introducing today is Sonnet Mondal. 1990 born Sonnet Mondal is an Indian poet, editor, and author of An Afternoon in My Mind, which was published by Copper Coin in 2022, then Karmic Chanting, again Copper Coin, Ink and Line, Dolly Books in 2018. He is the founder director of Chair Poetry Evenings, Calcutta's International Poetry Festival. His recent works have appeared in Harper's Bazaar, Virginia Quarterly Review, Words Without Borders, Singing in the Dark, Penguin Random House, Vivina Magazine, University of Guadalajara, Mexico, La Otra, University of Mexico, Indian Literature, Sahitya Academy's literature publication, and Michigan State University Libraries, Kyoto Journal, Potomac Review, Salzburg Review, Poetry, University of Salzburg, Mascara Literary Review, and Honest Ulsterman, among others. He is the editor of the Indian section of Lyric Lane, House for Poesy, Berlin. He has been a guest editor of Words Without Borders, Poetry and Sangam, and Radar magazine. He has been widely translated into Hindi, Bengali, Italian, Chinese, Turkish, Slovak, Macedonian, French, Russian, Slovenian, and Hungarian, also Arabic. So one can see that he is a widely read author, quite celebrated on the international platform. He is presenting two of his poems today, and I invite you to listen to them.
A breeze from my childhood. On an afternoon during my summer vacation, Mother made me a few small clay figures and painted them with a red dye. The bargain was I should bathe in the well and eat my lunch before I could have those toys. Placed on the edge of a charpoy, the toys fell off and broke as I was executing the deal with rice and curry in my mouth. From a distance, I felt water splashing the freshly painted walls of my mind. The dye was the color of my thoughts. After decades now, I wonder about the exact moment when I grew up and the exact moment I would grow old. It's like a glint vanishing through rolling wheels. I am still at some distance and can see the walls of my house falling off like those clay toys Mother made. I feel an air cooling my shadow. It must be traveling from the meadows surrounding my childhood home. An afternoon in my mind. I don't remember much about waiting for the bus to my mother's village or how we made summer tolerable while waiting for trains to the cities. They were like the ignited wick of a cracker stripping me of my patience. But like a clogging bunch of thaw in the flowing canal of my memories, I have this photograph of catching fish with Mama, Bhai, and Dadu, the stoutest one there, holding the fly rod. Ecstasy still lies in the frame, but Uncle and Grandpa have passed away. The fish we caught that day still flutter in my mind. The pond must be keeping our reflections safe somewhere in its water, captured by the late afternoon light.